wiGuide is the magnetic needle tracking technology to enhance the visualization of the needle. It is only available on the Pro L15-4 NAVI. wiGuide can provide needle detection and orientation information for in-plane and out-of-plane procedure. Turn on wiGuide at the left side of the top screen. Choose the needle preset from the list. Tap the calibration button to start the calibration process. Hold the probe in the air, press Start, and wait for a few seconds until the system indicates the process has completed. After the calibration has been done, while keeping the probe in the air, quickly check the signal strength indicator. It should now be back at the top of the screen scale. Make sure it is far away from any metal or magnetic objects to avoid poor calibration. Place the needle in the magnetized cup. Wait for a second to magnetize and take out. Here is an indicator showing the needle orientation and relation to the plane of ultrasound beam. For out-of-plane puncture, adjust the target box location by changing the angle and degree of the needle. Advance the needle to reach the target. The dotted line on the screen indicates the needle trajectory. The green target box indicates the needle tip is at the same plane of the ultrasound beam. The light green shows the needle is close to the plane, and the red means the needle is falling out the plane. The color means the same in the in-plane procedure. Now is the time for you to explore more. Watch the instruction videos online or refer to the user manual.